Hey, what's up guys? Hopefully everyone had a good weekend. It's been non-stop raining. It's supposed to non-stop rain for like the whole week. It's just really shitty. But I got the carpet. The big box is the carpet, and this is the 3M clear vinyl, which I'll be putting on top of the bars of the cage to make it so that it doesn't get scratched or anything. Yeah, it's totally crap out, but at least I won't be sweating like crazy today. Another thing is, remember to vote. As always, we're leading by, we're leading a lot. We're almost doubling second place. We're at like 1580 votes, and second place is at 800 something votes. So we're literally almost doubling. Probably today, by the end of today. Today is the last day also, but by the end of today, we're gonna double second place. At the end of each round or stage, the votes reset back to 0 either way, so it doesn't really matter. Like I said, for this stage, we just have to be top 32. Which obviously we got. And then I think after this, starting tomorrow, is going to be the 1v1 battles. We'll see. Also, yesterday actually marks a year since I got this M3 bone stock. It's 2001 M3 for people that wonder. It's not a 325 or 318 or anything. It's an M3. It has an S54 in it. Yeah, it's crazy. I got the car for so cheap and never thought this is what would come out of it. Honestly, if I had a lot more money, this thing could have been done in like 6 months. It wouldn't take a year. But so, I don't know how much of this I'm going to record, but just letting you know, I did wrap this whole harness right here, as you can see, electrical tape. I did wrap the whole power wire, which you can see it running right there along the door. It is connected. I'm just going to zip tie it down, and then that whole harness right there, I have the electrical tape. I just bought some electrical tape. I deleted this side, the harness that comes up here for the curtain airbags. I deleted that, I cut it, and I taped off the connections. But now I just have to delete the other side one, which is pretty simple. You just cut it, and you tape off each individual wire to make sure it doesn't short or anything. Because obviously there's no airbags in this car at all. And after that, I think I'm probably gonna, once all the wires are in place, I think I'm actually gonna start measuring out the carpet and doing something like that. Because I did buy some glue from AutoZone that's like super adhesive, and I bought a roller, so you spray it on, you lay it, and then you use like a hard roller to do it all on. And by the way guys, I literally just ordered the kit, that kit from Britain. Hopefully it gets here by H2O, which is the 27th. I'm pretty sure it will, hopefully. I told them to expedite it if they can, it's from the UK, so it's like, they said 1 to 5 business days to make it and ship it out, and then about 6 to 9 business days international shipping. Or if you expedite it, it's 1 to 5 business days international shipping. So that's good. I decided I'm probably just going to go ahead and modify that kit. For H2O, I'm probably just going to throw it on and use it, because the car needs to have a body to be able to drive it there. Especially if you guys do know, H2O is like a super ticketed event. People get tickets left and right. This car's pretty functional, and it's like a race car, so if anything, this car might get a ticket for like a loud exhaust, but that's really all I see it getting pulled over for. But hopefully you guys are excited about that. Like I said, I couldn't really afford the CNC process, not even by a little bit. I really just couldn't afford it. So I think it's just easier to build off of something like that. And it is the exact kit from the 2006 GTR or the 2000 GT car, not GTR but GT. GT is a class lower than the GTR was racing in, and that actually had the S54 engine in it, or a P54, but the race version of the engine that I have in this car. So yeah, at least it is some kind of GTR kit. Obviously it's a lot better than the first kit I had, in my opinion. Some of you agree, some of you don't, but that's okay. It's what opinions are for. I just think I'm doing the best thing with what I'm doing. it looks decent in my opinion. I don't know. It's my first time ever doing any kind of upholstery, so don't judge too much. It does kind of cut off there, but I think it should be fine because with the dash on, the line is going to be right here, so I don't think you're going to be able to see that far. But I think it's a lot better than having the, you know, ugly thing. So now you have something nice for your feet. Hopefully this stuff vacuums well. I think it should. It's like subwoofer carpeting. And then I'm just going to go do the other side now. And then I don't know if that's going to be it for today. Today's been a super unproductive day. I don't really know why, quite honestly. I mean, I woke up like super late because I was just tired from driving home last night. And I ordered the kit, which is pretty exciting. The guy said that he's going to expedite ship it, which is going to be 1 to 5 business day international shipping instead of 6 to 9. And he's going to cut the front and rear bumper in half so the box is smaller so it doesn't cost me anything extra. So hopefully next week I should have it. And I could start cutting it apart and modifying it and put it on for H2O and have a car for H2O, which would be awesome. So I finished the driver's side. I think it looks pretty good. I think I got it wrapped around the gas pedal pretty well. So yeah, carpet installed. Now it looks a little bit better. It'll all be black. Basically just a white cage, white rear back here, black carpet, black dash, black seats, black steering wheel. Pure simplicity. I was actually going to wrap the 3M today, but I'm not because my girlfriend's about to be home, so I'm just going to finish around here. And yeah, I guess I'll do the 3M wrap tomorrow, and I will finish the cage, not the cage, finish the roof. Not finish, just start repairing the roof and finish it tomorrow, where I just have to sand down the cracks, Bondo glass it, and yeah. Sorry guys, I didn't do too much. I guess it's just an off Monday, too tired, too lazy. So hopefully you guys are excited about the kit. Remember to vote. The voting starts again tomorrow at noon, my time. So just keep voting every day. If you weren't able to vote today, just so you guys know, after 2 p.m. it closed for the stage 1. But obviously don't worry, I'm pretty sure we're still in first. And tomorrow, or I guess tonight, it's going to announce who I'm going to be 1v1 versing. And tomorrow it'll start voting. And then after the next 6 days, 32 people are going to be eliminated, 32 will be left. After that, 1v1 again, 16 people left, 8 people left, 4 people left, and then 2 people left. And hopefully I'll be one of those 2 people. Anyways, thanks for watching so much, guys. Thanks so much for the support as always. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, and hopefully we'll do a lot more than we did today.